Juhu Tara Road, Mumbai 49, right? He is the person who is receiving that letter. So I'm mentioning all the details here. Whom I'm applying to Hotel Sequin. There also whom I'm applying for. I'm applying directly to the personal manager. Personal manager is a person who looks after HR activities, right? And I should even make sure that the letter has proper address so that it reaches that particular person only. Further, now subject, this year it should be subject, right? Subject application for the post of a senior accountant, right? Reference, how did I come to know? Advertisement in the Times of India dated Saturday, September 8, 2016. Means what? With reference to your advertisement, which was given in the newspaper Times of India on Saturday, 8th, 2016, September, I am applying for this post. Means what? One would even like to know how did you come to know about the vacancy, right? So that also should be mentioned. So this shows how formal you are. It shows your interest in applying for that particular post. Further, when you write, you should always start with dear sir slash madam, because we never know who is the person, whether it is a male female. So it is always advisable to put dear sir, respected sir slash madam. In response to the referred advertisement, I am submitting an application with curriculum vitae and a statement of purpose and for your pursual. Means what? With reference to the newspaper ad, I'm applying, right, for the said job, and I'm even giving my curriculum vitae, that is your CV, that is your biodata, right, what we mentioned. And I'm mentioning other details which are required by you. So all things should be mentioned, but it should be mentioned in very few lines, right? In addition, I have, in addition to having postgraduate from Mumbai University and currently studying to qualify a cost accountant, right? I have more than 9 years work experience, out of which 6 years I have spent in the service industry. Besides, ambitions and a desire to do better in life motivate me to apply for the post of an accountant in your prestigious organization. Now, see what are the additional information he has mentioned. He has mentioned that he is a postgraduate, right? He would be masters, and the master is done from Mumbai University. He even he's saying that he's currently doing his CA, right? Cost accountant is been done. He's even mentioning that he has 9 years experience in same industry, and he is motivated, right? He is very happy to apply for the post of accountant in your prestigious company, right, or organization. One should even appreciate the company where she is applying. With an assurance of commitment, dedication, and efforts, I request you to please consider my case favorably and grant me the opportunity of an interview. Means what? Since it is an application, thereafter we will be following every person for interview. I have to show my keen interest. I should even mention the reasons why I will hire you. So you should say, you're saying there that you are committed, right? You are committed to your work, you are dedicated to your work, you will put your good efforts, right? So all these things should be all this words should be used while you are writing a letter, covering letter, along which is an application for your job. Okay. Further, you mentioned that thanking you, yours truly. Thereafter, mention your name, and please mention an enclosure which shows what are the documents attached therewith. It would be curriculum vitae and statement of purpose, right? It would be anything. You can even add some your qualifications, right? You can add a reference letter also, right there, that this is a person who suggested me that you go and apply here. I'll give you a reference letter, so that also can be enclosed. Is this much clear to everybody?
Sir, first paragraph in the body, please explain again.
First para in body, this part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now what it is, you started with salutation. You said, dear sir, dear madam, respected madam, and so on, right? You have to see to it that the letter is in one flow. It is connecting, right? You cannot say thank you first, you please call me for interview, and thereafter you mention your experience in between. Thereafter you writing that I'm attaching the CV here. That will disturb the flow of the letter. So first and most important thing is what you said, that the subject is application for senior accountant. You even told them that how did you come to know about the job. Further, right, as we say, further, right, so here they have used a formal language in response to the referred advertisements. Means what, I have read that advertisement that shows referred advertisement. I am submitting an application with curriculum Whited. Means what? When you give an ad, you even expect the applicants to submit their additional documents, their education qualification, their CV. So you are mentioning all that things and statement of purpose for your pursuits. Means what? What is the reason? Why are you applying here? So you are even mentioning that I have been in this field for past 9 years, right? And I would be very happy working with your this prestigious organization. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear, everybody all attending the lecture? Is the covering letter clearly understood? Yeah, reply.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can't hear anyone talking. Yeah, reply. Don't reply in chat box. You can open your mouth.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, where would be, who is this person? Is a sender or a receiver?
Sender.
Sender,
Sender.
right? Who is this person?
Receiver.
Receiver.
What will come first?
Subject.
Subject. After subject, what comes?
Reference.
Reference, right? What is this called?
Salutation.
Salutation, right? Thereafter, the body should be in a particular format, right? It should be in a particular flow. What is this? Thanking you, right? And your signature. What is this part called?
Enclosure.
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 What is enclosure? Enclosure is what?
Sir, the document we are attaching.
Document which have been attached.
Yes, right. As they have expected you all to attach some documents along with it, that would be enclosed, and you are mentioning it in the reference. Means what, if by default they say that I didn't get that, so you will be even telling that no, it was mentioned even in the covering letter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now let us see what is the further part of it. Is this clearly understood? What is this? Can anyone tell me? What is this?
This is a document which have been attached.
This is basically what? Think again.
Uh,
This is a document that is attached. Okay, but what is this document?
Biodata.
biodata.
Right?
CV.
Here we have first part that is called objective, right? Now each and every person should have certain objective, right? What is objective? Basically, why you want to be here, right? Or what is your purpose in life? What is the purpose of getting into this particular organization? That will be seen here, right? So you always mention what? You mention your objective. Now see how the letter is connected. See, what is the name mentioned here? Mr. Uday Gurudev Singh, right? What was mentioned here? Mr. Uday Singh, right? So it is understood he is mentioning the covering letter. He is mentioning his name also, right? Address, right? 6 Mata Apartment, Hill Road, Bandra, right? Phone numbers, email, right? All thing was mentioned there. Along with it has to be mentioned here also, because one should be giving full information and more accurately. So it will, even if it is green, cross check, right? The sender is sending the same address in the covering letter also, as well as in the biodata also, right? Now date of birth, right? That should be mentioned. Languages known, it is English, Hindi, Marathi, French, whatever language you know. You should mention your education qualification. Now, passed BCom examination from Hinduja College of Commerce, Mumbai University in May 2007 and secured 63%. Passed MCom examination from Mumbai University in May 2009 and secured 65%. Now see, BCom is of how many years? BCom is of 3 years, right? Any degree is of 3 years. So it is 2007-8, 2008-9 and 2009-10, right? So here he said what he cleared, right? In 2007, means after that the master's degree is of 2 years. So 2007 he completed his BCom, 2009 he completed his MCom. So there is no gap. So this is silently understood, right? 3 years of degree, bachelor's degree, undergraduate degree, and 2 years of postgraduate degree. Now in his covering letter, he has mentioned that currently studying to qualify as a cost accountant, right? And he has even mentioned that into his curriculum vitae, studying for the ICWA course and scheduled to appear for the final examination in November 2016. Means what? Both the places his information given is correct. Further, he has put his additional qualification, passed a diploma course in graphics and web page designing from NIIT Mumbai in December 2009 and secured A grade, right? So he has mentioned his graduation, college, university, year and percentage. He has mentioned his master's degree. He has mentioned his university and percentage. Studied, is presently pursuing his studying the modules, and the exam has been scheduled where in the month of November. He has additional IT related knowledge also, that is also been mentioned. Now you can either put that into a paragraph form, you can mention bullets, or you can have the tabular format, right? They have mentioned here, or you need not repeatedly write the same thing. Many of them have, habit of being very precise. So you can have it in this way: degree, diploma. We have a degree, yes. We have diploma, yes. We have institutions, we have university. We are mentioning the year of passing and percentage, and you can even put a slash and write grade. He is a BCom, yes, from Hinduja College, Mumbai University, passed in 2007. MCom 2009, did diploma in 2009 with grade A, and cost accountancy is something what he is studying, right? So you can either put it into the bullet form or it can be in a tabular form, right? Thereafter comes is the work experience. You can mention your work experience, right? That work as a senior accountant with worked as a senior accountant with Lukmi Cosmetic Limited, Mumbai, from August 2010 to May 2011. Job responsibilities including supervising all accountancy procedure in branch account since June 2011 to date, working with Hotel First Citizen, Mumbai as head accountant. Job responsibility includes supervising all computerized accountancy procedure in the organization, right? So that is all about your connection, right? He is mentioning that where did he work, the name of the company, 2009, June 2009 till 2000, July 2010, that was 1 year, right? He worked immediately. July, after what comes after July is August. He got into a new company, that is August 2010 till May 2011. He was with Look Me Cosmetic. After May, immediately he got into a new job, that is June 2011 till date. He is working with Hotel First Citizen, right? So your job, your work, your information should be in a particular flow, right? And that will give a good image of the sender, right? While reading, it will be like making good sense that the person who is applying is improving, has some knowledge of how the letter should be written. He is showing his experience, he is having no gap in between, immediately he is getting immediate jobs. So he has mentioned everything. Along with it, you need to show your co-curricular activities. Means what? Up not only in the organization, he is good at other areas also, that is cricket, chess, reading. What is his area of interest? Personal interest, he wants, is interested in politics. And as I told you, you can even mention the references. Means what? If I want to cross check that how you are as a person, you can go and speak to so and so person, that is Mr. T Jadeja, General Manager, Cadbury India Limited. His address is also mentioned there, right? His phone number, email address is given. Along with it, Mr. A Gupta, Sales Manager, Hotel Ambassador, Marine Drive. His name, phone number, email address is also given. Finally, you have your signature, your, and you're sending, you're finishing your CV. Understood? So your CV should also have references. Means what? Those would be the people who will be giving you who will be giving assurance on your behalf. No, I know him as a person. It would be your teachers, it would be your friends, it would be person whom you are worked with, right? It would be your past employees, it would be your past employer, colleagues, right? Whoever it would be. But whomsoever you are giving the reference should be talking something good about you. It should not be like, they're talking something bad, and it would hamper your image. Understood what is CV all about? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. Right now, what I'll do is I'll show you the covering letter again, right? I want somebody to read the covering letter. Do not hesitate, with very cool mind, please read it. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, letter is about employment correspondence. Sender's address Mr. Uday Singh, 6 Mata Apartment, Hill Road, Bandra, Mumbai 400050. Phone number and fax number and email address uday@hotmail.com. Uh, uh, and this is sender's address. Now the receiver's address. The personal manager, Hotel Sea Queen, Juhu Tara Road, Mumbai 400049. And after this, subject will come. Subject application for the post of a senior accountant. He wants senior accountant job. Uh, Reference advertisement in the Times of India dated Saturday, September 8, 2016. And now salutation, dear sir and madam. In response to the referred advertisement, I am submitting an application with curriculum vitae and a statement of purpose and for your pursual. In addition to having postgraduate from Mumbai University and currently studying to qualify as a cost accountant, I have more than 9 years work experience, out of which 6 years have been spent in the service industry. Besides, ambition and a desire to do better in life motivate me to apply for the post of an accountant in your prestigious organization. With an assurance of commitment, dedication, and effort, I request you to please consider me case favorably and grant me the opportunity of an interview. Thank you. Yours faithfully, signature Mr. Uday, enclosures curriculum vitae statement of purpose. हो गया sir.
Okay, good one. Right now, see, the main purpose was not to read, but I want to know how you all read. Right, when it comes to communication, it should not be only one person talking, others are listening. It has to be written, it has to be oral also. So I wanted you all to speak. Okay, so not now, but once we finish at least 60-70% of our portion, I will even start taking your reading. Okay, before we could move further, I'll give you the attendance link. So please wait for a moment.
Recording stopped.
Did you all receive the link? Yeah, students, did you all receive the link?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. Just put your cameras on for attendance. Please make it fast. Okay. Yeah, good job. Who was the one who was reading?
My
Dear, I will not come to know if you say "मैं बोला" तो ऐसा how will it? I will come to know, right? Please share your good name.
sir Ashish Mishra.
Okay, okay, good one, good one. Okay. I'll share the slides again. You all please go through it. Right? If you have any doubts, anything to ask, you all please ask. Last 5 minutes left. And as I told you all, please make sure, right? If I have my lecture, I'll put a message in the group. Yeah.
हरामी असणार ना रे. तू काय बोललेला बर्थडेला मिसला गिफ्ट घेऊन.
Right, if I have my lecture, I'll put at least a message that first lecture, second lecture, whatever lecture is mine, I'll put only a text message in that, so you will need not sit and cry ki, what about link and all. I'll send everything. Right, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, I even told you the reason. What happens, the inbox, the mail, we know generally get mails. Once you click on that link, that link sends us a mail that someone has joined your meeting and all. So that fills the inbox, and we after that we need to sit and delete everything. So it becomes time consuming. So you all need not worry. If there is no lecture, somebody will please inform you there are no lectures. If there is no such message coming, that means definitely we'll be having lectures. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. And one more thing, if you have any problem, right, if you are not understanding anything, I told you, you all please, you can ask your questions in English, Hindi and Marathi would be fine. What happens while teaching, when you put the questions in chat box, that is sometime missed out, right? So when I stopped teaching, that time I see the chat box. So better you can ask your questions when I stop, or if the question is very urgent, you can ask the question at that time only, right? You all need not hesitate to ask the questions in Hindi, Marathi, right? English, whatever language you are comfortable with, right? Do not get scared. Do not feel that how will other feel that when I ask questions in other language, right? Do not bother for others. Any question, anything to ask? तुम लोग ने सब लोग ने अपना अटेंडेंस फॉर्म भरा?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll
Again,
tell
we
you
have
what.
to join this lecture.
No. अभी कोई मैसेज आया तुम लोग को लेक्चर है करके?
No,
Yeah,
sir,
dear.
but
हाँ.
this link is for 2 or 3 lectures.
Yeah, that's what I said. Now the link is for 2 lectures. एक lecture 40 minutes का रहता है. We started at 9. Now what is the time?
Yes.
हाँ, तो हुआ ना थर्ड लेक्चर का एंडिंग. Who was the one who was talking to me? Dear Guya, good name. Let me see who was that.
Sir, Ashish Mishra.
Okay, fine. Is it clear, Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the lecture would get over any moment, right? If at all you have any question to ask, right? We have very few seconds left.